Fruits: pineapple, apple, pomegranate, grapefruit, muskmelon, papaya, mango, grapes, guava, cherry, raspberry, strawberry, orange, mulberry, watermelon, banana, vegetables, capsicum, potato, ladyfinger, peas, lemon, onion, cauliflower, brinjal, tomato, cabbage, bitter gourd, cucumber, pumpkin, radish, bottle gourd, turnip, birds, sparrow, parrot, cock, pigeon, crow, peacock, animals, cow, dog, horse, goat, rabbit, yak, sheep. Parts of body: head, hair, forehead, eyebrow, eye, ear, teeth, lip, shoulder, chest, thumb, hand, fingers, thigh, foot, toe, leg, knee, elbow, stomach, arm, neck, cheek, lip, eye, hand, nose, teeth, tongue, foot, ear, hair, knee. Colors and shapes: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, pink, purple, brown, black, grey, white, circle, clock, coin, button, square, carom board, frame, chessboard, triangle, pizza slice, sandwich, hanger, rectangle, blackboard, note, mobile,